Maayong adlaw. Lahi na pud ni nga episode karong adlaw mga igsoon atong pagaisgutan dinhi sa Let's Talk with Jonas. Karong adlaw, inspiring kay nga ato ang story because ang akong guest karong adlaw mga igsoon usa ka negosyante, usa ka asawa, usa pud ka member sa Rotarian ug sa Enerville. Mga igsoon ang akong guest karong adlaw wala lain si Ma'am Glory Tan. Ma'am Glo, good afternoon
Afternoon,
and
Sir
welcome
Jonas.
to my vlog Let's Talk with Jonas.
Thank you for inviting me here.
Yes, Ma'am,
It's been a long time.
yeah, it's been a long time. We didn't see each other, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
that's
so
right.
I'm happy to see you again.
Happy to see you too.
Ma'am, kinini ang this is actually my vlog. Let's talk with Jonas. I'm talking with people, businessman, businesswoman, mga members sa mga communities nga like for example Rotary, Eagles, Innerwell, anything nga pwede na itong masgutan. Mo ni purpose akong vlog. So, we also would like to talk about kanabitong mga aspiring stories sa mga businessman, how they started their career and their business also as well. So, muna akong gapang interviewon. Now, I look at you as, kumbaga, kanabitong kuan ma'am, kanang idolize ba nga from this to this na ang tao bitaw. So, ano ko nga, why don't you actually I will invite Ma'am Glory Tan and have talk conversations with me, talk over a cup of coffee or something like that. So that's why I decided to call you and
So
invite
where's our
you.
coffee? Later, I'll give you coffee.
Yeah.
I'll treat you for a
Yeah.
coffee.
Ma'am Glo, I understand that you're into business and then building business is so hard. And especially if the the situations of our community and our economy now are not really good. We would say that we're not really good, especially that we have the international dispute about the oil crisis and etc. How's our business going on this time?
Well, generally speaking, we have a couple of businesses,
Mm-hmm.
but I don't know what business you're talking about. Maybe in general.
Yeah.
Of course, we're affected with that. But since we have business that already started 4 decades ago, almost 5 decades,
Mm-hmm.
maybe we were able to cope up with the economic challenges nowadays because we could say that our business is already established, the business that I'm talking about. But there's also other business of ours, mine,
Yeah.
that just enough to, to maintain the business,
Yeah. Good.
to maintain my people.
Yeah. How are you related with the Goldcrest business? Because guys, ang Goldcrest mong gold, murag bata pa kay kung murag naan lagi na ang Goldcrest. That's why I wanna ask Ma'am Glory if how actually she connected with Goldcrest.
Why do you heard also or did you learn also that
I
I am
learned.
connected with Goldcrest?
I learned it before, but I go nga na-confuse ko because you have other also business like Glorieta
Glorieta, I
Marketing.
have, yes.
Kung nga, okay, so sounds like murag siya ka ng competitor. Pero I also learned nga inyo nga po din ang Goldcrest.
Yeah, in a way we're competitor, but
Yeah.
at the same time we are like a family business together. Competitor in a sense that we have the same line of business,
Yes.
but it's a family business because from Goldcrest, here comes Glorieta. Okay? Goldcrest Marketing is a family business of my husband's family. Yeah, with like 4 brothers and 2 sisters, and that business comes from their parents.
Yeah.
And it's already a 48 years old business, going 49 this coming June. So almost 5 decades.
5 decades na,
Yes.
grabe, no?
And that's I could say it's a very good business. It's doing well. But my Glorieta is a big, what is this? Sprout from Goldcrest. Because since I'm with that family for 38 years already, no? So eventually they gave me a little business that I called Glorieta.
All right.
Yes.
So
And that Glorieta is already in existence for 14 years.
14 years.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Have you actually experienced also working with your family business in Goldcrest?
Before, the early times of early years of my married life,
Mhm.
I worked with them like 10 years
10 years.
before I worked my own in
Mm.
their branch, but that branch was closed and we opened the Glorieta.
Mm.
So the total, being independent from the family business, total of 28 years
Wow.
away from Goldcrest Marketing.
Grabe.
So I worked there for 10 years and I'm 38 years with the family. So,
So, 40.
10 years with them, Goldcrest,
40
but
years. 48 years.
28 years, no, 10 years in Goldcrest and 28 years to my own. But yeah, so, but part of that is the Goldcrest branch. But for
Mm.
Glorieta, it's only 14 years.
14 years. So, dili mag-conflict ang Glorieta o ang Goldcrest?
No conflict because we're family, we build business as family.
Mm.
Where we had a silent agreement
Okay.
that if their customers are their customers, I will not get their customers.
Yeah.
I will not pirate their customers.
Yeah.
My customers are my customers.
Yeah.
They respect my customers.
Yeah.
So we work on that boundary.
Okay. Oh, good. At least the relationship of the family are really intact.
Yeah, very
Yeah,
good.
I understand that. And I'm very happy to hear that. Because kasagara, nabi po yung uban karon ma'am nga
Mag-away.
mag-away
Well,
because
I'm just so lucky because I belong to a very good family.
oh wow.
Yes, their family, my husband,
Mm.
family, they're very good family.
Lagi kay
Yes.
ang uban mag-away gid ma'am.
I know.
Mag-away pa na sila, wala pa na ma'am, pwede na utay na until such time nga maabot gid nga wala na medyo dili na gyud.
No, we're not.
Oh, very nice.
We are special.
Yeah.
I were different. Huh?
Lagi.
We value relationship over money. That's
very
what
good.
Tan's family are. Yes.
Ma'am, si Ma'am Glory is
Yes.
from Cagayan de Oro.
No, no, I'm not from Cagayan de Oro. I'm from Surigao del Norte.
Okay.
Yes,
So-
it's a 7 hour away from Cagayan de Oro.
Yeah, it takes 7 hours to
Yes.
travel.
I just came here because I study in Xavier in
Xavier.
1981. No, in 1981.
Mhm.
Yes.
Pero dito ka nag-high school sa
I study high school
Surigao.
in Surigao.
Mhm.
Elementary to high school,
Mhm.
yes.
So, prior to doing a lot of this business mo, have you had experience also in working as employee?
Yeah, before, yes, first I worked in the bank. I don't know, have you heard about Fisla Bank? Now,
Mm.
I think they are merged with the Land Bank. The Fisla was bought by Land Bank.
Yeah.
I was not there anymore. I have just been there working for 3 months and eventually I worked in some big stores here.
Mm.
Then eventually I get married and I
Mm.
teach also
Wow.
in FINMA, or before we used to call it Cagayan de Oro College.
Yeah,
For
Cagayan
4
de Oro
years.
College. Karon is FENMA Education Network na.
Yes.
Okay. So, after working as employees, you decided to actually work in your own company like that.
Yeah, because I like to have my own.
Lagi. Nice po siya. Pero, ang negosyo nimo sa Glorieta is more on educational and office supply.
It's office supplies just like Goldcrest Marketing.
Just like
Same.
Goldcrest Marketing.
Different customers. We respect each other's customers. Yes.
Oh, very nice.
Mm.
And I think ang Glorieta is nanahimutang sa ano ba? Nanahimutang sa
Yakapin Corrales?
Yakapin Corrales, fronting of City Central School.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
I think I visited twice there.
Really?
Yeah,
I think
yeah.
so.
Yeah, I think so. And then, because ang among company sa una, murag sa inyo gakuha o office supply.
Andi, ay, unsang tunga.
Kitagaan gali ko nimo kuan sa una kanang credit limit.
Andi. Maybe.
That was before. I think it was before pandemic pa.
Maybe.
Oh, it was before pandemic pa. Okay. Ma'am, you're also member of Rotary.
Yes.
How's your status in Rotary now? Asa ka nga kuan, asa ka nga kanang grupo?
Okay. There are a lot of Rotary
Yeah.
groups in District 3870, and I belong to Rotary Club of West Cagayan de Oro.
West Cagayan.
I've been 14 years in Rotary West.
Sila ni Dr. Miranda?
No, Dr. Doris Tagayuna,
Okay.
our future governor in the future, 3 years from now.
Okay.
Al Manos, the owner of Jollibee.
Mm.
Um, We had Adico.
Okay, yeah. Yeah. They're so
Yeah,
familiar
they
to
have
me.
a business in Kogon,
Yeah.
more of refrigeration.
Mm.
And we have Mini,
Yeah.
Raina Bensei, manager of BDO, our present president.
Okay.
And then we have Idong Espiritu Mini, engineers, we have
Yeah.
lawyers. And the owner of Valibang just died a year ago.
Mm.
Our big sponsor of golf, Mr. Sunny Lim.
Yeah, si Sir Sunny. Yeah, I know him. Okay. Now, unsa man inyong ano ma'am, unsa inyong mga unsa purpose sa Rotary? If you don't mind. No, this is for the benefit of our viewers who have no knowledge yet about the Rotary. So, kanang unsay mga activities ninyo, how you guys actually help our community or something like that?
Rotary is, I think, 121 years organization started in America.
Yeah.
And then it spreads to 100 plus countries in the world.
Mm-hmm.
And this organization is a social civic organization, like helping people, helping the community, especially the less privileged, like the marginalized community.
Yeah.
Like we have projects on medical mission. We have projects on the women, like the Dakilang Ina. We are helping the women. Yeah. Then we are helping also. We have water project. Water.
Oh.
Yes. We have also career guidance project.
We
have many things.
Yeah. So
we have,
it's more on community service.
Yes, so community
kumbaga,
service.
you're actually helping to those unfortunate people, especially nga nasa mga bukid-bukid na mga inana.
And also yes, our projects mostly done in sa mga far-flung areas. And then we have also projects that I really love and proud that we had the projects like the colostomy freedom. Katong mga bata, mga tao nga dagko na pero wala sila ka-afford magpa-opera kaya sila kalibang.
Yes.
But we have this president now, upcoming governor, Dr. Doris Tagayona, who really conceptualized the project and made that project very successful. Nga dagan po na yung nga operahan ng mga bata nga walay kwarta taga-bukid, dagan po sila.
Yeah, kapo di kayo na, no?
Yes, and then we collaborated with doctors from Manila coming here to support our project. We have also projects for the teachers.
Yeah.
We have projects on choosing the most outstanding, search for most outstanding teacher in Northern Mindanao. We have lots of projects.
That's a public, you're talking about teachers, public?
Public.
Public teachers.
Public, yes, not private.
Okay, not private. Okay, grabe no yung mga
Those
community
teachers
service.
are located in the mountain areas. They can join us and be recognized if they're the best teacher. Now, most of our winners are Metro Bank winners also. And how much Metro Bank winners will get? It's $1 million.
Yeah, it's $1 million.
It's $1 million. So we have also ordinary teachers who have extraordinary heart and ability to help children.
Yeah.
Improve their improve their lives and being recognized to be such a good teacher.
Very nice. And then okay, so those are just the project of Rotary. Rotary.
Yes.
Wapo sa diba, grabe gid yung service, no? Kumbaga murag touching lives of many.
Touching lives, yes.
Touching lives of many. More on
community
purpose.
That's our mission.
Yeah. So, but it is an American company or organization, right?
It's a founded by an American person.
Okay.
Who's the founder of
Rotary?
Paul Harris. Is the founder of Rotary.
Okay. Wow.
International.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, I admire those people who are actually have time and support this kind of community kay mao magina ma'am no kasagara. Kumbaga ang ubang tao kay mo join ana because they wanted to help people.
Yes.
Then they wanted to also to extend their support financially, effort, time,
Yeah, time, effort, and money.
Yes, and money also. Yes, okay. No.
Not necessarily big money, but helping people, even big and small, that's already more than enough.
Lagi. Sakto yun. And then I understand, ma'am, na you're also a member of Inner Whale.
Yeah.
What is all about
That's
Inner
what
Whale?
we met again 3 years ago, sir. Did you remember?
3 years. Yeah. 3 years ago. So, What are the vision and missions of Inner Wheel?
Maybe I can read here. I always have it in my bag because I cannot memorize.
Sorry, dili mo guni
Sorry,
scripted
ha.
okay.
Dili
Dili ni sa
scripted.
scripted.
Sorry. But
Yeah.
anyway,
Yeah.
the mission is similar to Rotary.
Rotary,
Because a story I'll tell you. If Rotary is 121 years
Mm.
international organization, Inner Wheel is 102 years.
Oh,
Founded by a wife of a Rotarian. Kaya kaning
so
mga
this is
wives sa-
purely for women.
if Rotary is mixed, man and women,
Yeah.
men and women, here in Inner Wheel, all women.
All women.
All women.
Okay.
But this is not founded in America. Okay?
It's from
Though the founder of Inner Wheel was a wife of a Rotarian, but this wife of a Rotarian who
Mm.
used to be at home
Mm.
from UK, Manchester.
Okay.
So Inner Wheel was founded 102 years ago, and it expanded also to 100 plus countries, just like Rotary. But the founder of one is a lady.
Yeah, Inner Wheel.
Yes,
Mm. So,
this is a lady, and the mission and vision same.
yeah,
similar.
yeah. Okay. It's more
Yeah.
community.
Kasi the mission, according to the Inner Wheel Club of the Philippines International or Incorporated,
Okay.
the mission is selflessness and friendship,
Mm-hmm.
service to community. That's the
Mhm.
most important.
Mm.
By providing needed assistance undertaking, special projects for the community,
Mm.
for the women, for the
Mhm.
youth, for the elderly, and the marginalized sectors
So
of
in
society.
other words, is more or similar with Rotary.
Similar din na, Sir
But
Yeke.
ang difference lang because ang Rotary is mixed men and women.
Yeah, here,
And
all babae.
all are babae. But
women.
your purpose and your vision is
Sabi
the same,
nga, sir.
almost the same because it is more also on community service.
Oo, siyempre.
Okay.
That's right.
Where did you get actually the funds to all members?
Yeah. Well, there are two kinds of funds.
Mm.
Local, kami,
Mm.
and international.
Mm.
So, we got first funds from the club
Okay.
itself, from the members.
The organization itself.
Yeah. If
Okay.
we have a yearly dues,
Mm.
membership fee, part of that is our club funds. We will use that funds for the project. If it's not enough, with the members, we have to chip in for the projects.
Yeah.
But there's also an international
Mm.
project
Mm.
or international fund.
Mm.
You have to qualify for that fund.
Mm.
Maybe if your project is, can pass the standard of
Yeah.
an international support, and that's the time they will give you the international
Mhm.
fund for your project in the Philippines.
Mm.
That's same in Rotary and here.
Okay. Are you, ma'am, happy of joining these two organization?
Well, when you join an organization, your thought is you want to be happy.
Okay.
You want to enjoy. Yes, I
Mhm.
enjoy the camaraderie,
Mm.
but it's not because you join an organization because you want to be happy. It's not that. It's not the goal. The goal is whether you are happy or not. It doesn't matter.
Basta,
What matters is you are able to help people,
yeah.
improve their lives,
Precisely.
can give them a little food. Maybe they
Mm.
cannot eat today, but because of you join that organization, these people were able to eat.
Mm.
It's not about my happiness, it's about other people's happiness.
Wow, how noble of you, ma'am.
People will always ask me, are you happy? Are you happy? I said, see, let's say now I'm the president of Inner Wheel. And then they said,
You're the president of Inner Wheel.
yes, this year,
Si katong isa, to si Ma'am
Bakiran,
Bakiran.
our charter president.
Charter president. Oh, okay.
Then after her, there was Charlotte, and then me.
Mm.
And they keep on
Charlotte, that one that has spa?
Yes, spa.
Business. Okay.
Yeah. So,
This is very nice.
yeah. And then, other people in the organization asking me, are you happy as a president in Inner Wheel? Ko, in Master Son? Ko, no, that's not the question. It doesn't matter I'm happy or not. I'm happy that I'm able to help people.
Yeah. I
That's my
understand.
happiness.
I understand you. No, I get your point. It doesn't matter to you whether you have good relationship with your co-members or as long as you're actually focusing on the.
You should have a good relationship, supposed to be.
Yeah.
But you cannot please everyone.
Yeah, of course.
And these people.
In one organization, there is always like that.
There's always like that. You know that. And
Yeah,
I know it.
Yeah,
in the first place, I've been in different organizations already.
Mm.
And when you join an organization, it's not because you want to be happy.
Yeah.
It's because you want to help people.
Yeah. You can actually
Regardless-
extend your service and help to those
Yes.
people.
Regardless, of course, we have I have good friends in Rotary
Mm,
for so long. I have also good friends here in Innerwell.
mm,
But not everyone really are your friends because you're plenty,
mm,
right? So there are really people that, oh, this group and that group,
Mhm.
though it's not supposed to be, but
mm,
people are just people.
mm.
People are people, so
Yeah.
so it doesn't matter. Are you happy with the club?
Mm. How long?
Is how can you contribute?
Correct.
How can you contribute in the club?
Yeah. Or what
Do you
can you?
agree with
Yeah.
me, sir?
I will. I will. Definitely, I will. Um,
Mhm.
how long have you been with Rotary?
14 years.
14 years.
Yes.
And in Innerville, how
3
long?
years.
In 3 years.
Since
I
it's
still a baby.
chartered.
Ah.
Still a baby
Okay,
club.
I'm still a baby club. All right. Now I understand the vision and the missions of Rotary and Innerville. Wow, very inspiring, Mama. Now,
Yes.
Ma'am, I just wanna ask, kana bitong kinsa magit si Glory Tan?
Huh?
Kinsa gid unsa gid naa ni Glory Tan? Why people are actually may pag madunggan nimo
Gusto
si
mo na
Glory.
imong
Si
nadunggan about
Glory.
me.
Oo. Oo, ano si Glory. Ang uban mingon dato naman na siya. Milyonaryo naman na siya. Ang uban pamingon nga, uy, she started at the very kuan.
Yes.
Ana, iko mo ba? Ana, napamingon nga kanang si Glory. Beauty rest. Siya gina siya permanente. So, mo na
Really?
magkakadunggan.
Somebody told that somebody said that beauty is for me.
Oo, nga
Yes,
na
sir,
ba? So, ko nga, okay, I wanted to talk to her and, put it on records and then, of course, very inspiring ang mga iyang story. So, that's why I called you up. Then, you said yes to me. Anyway, thank you for saying yes. So,
Thank you
asa
also
kita,
for having
yeah,
me.
thank you. Si Ma'am Glory, di ba, na-mention mo kanina nga, you're from Surigao. Your parents also is from Surigao. Definitely, yes. Where are they now?
Or, they're not around anymore.
Yeah,
I've been orphaned for more 20 plus 20 plus years.
more than
I
20
guess.
years.
Yes.
Your siblings are in Surigao.
Me in Cagayan de Oro, one in Butuan City,
Mm.
and 4 in Surigao.
Okay.
We are spread.
Yeah, but you still have time to talk with each other.
Yeah, because
Reunion
I see to
every
it
December.
that not every December. May I see to it that I connect with my siblings, not
Mm.
just talking. I visit
Mm.
them. Before I used to visit them like once a month or once in every 2
Mm.
months. Now I just came from there like
Mm.
I see to it that I'm free. I have to
Yeah.
drive there 7 hours
By
myself.
yourself? By
I've been
yourself?
driving there for 20 years. Back and forth because I wanna
Oh,
really
really,
spend
really,
time with my
really.
siblings.
Yeah.
I want to be with them.
Mm.
They are my support.
Mm.
Yes, because I don't have a family
Yeah.
here.
Who was
I'm
the
alone.
yeah? Who was the first loss? Your father or your mother?
My father and then my mother.
Mm.
They're just 2 years apart.
Are your siblings are also in in the limelight of the business or
No, only 2 of us are business people. My youngest brother and me.
Okay.
And then my older sister, our oldest, working 40 years, is going to retire this year, according to her.
Mm.
In the government, Kuan. She's working with Comelec. And the
Mm.
second is me, businesswoman. Number 3 is a government,
Employee.
no politician.
Okay.
My brother is a politician for 20 years also.
Mm.
She's a barangay captain for I don't know how many terms.
Mm.
And if di na siya ma-barangay captain, magkagawad na po siya, barangay captain.
Yeah,
Kagawad, that's it. And now she's a leader of the barangay captains.
Okay, sa Surigao.
And then our number
Surigao is
4,
part of Caraga region, di ba?
yes, in Caraga. We are in Norte. So our place is an hour away from Surigao City. My 4th sibling is in an insurance company with Titel,
Okay.
Insular. She's also a little bit business-minded in Butuan. Her husband working as a professor and a consultant sa BSU, Butuan State University.
Okay.
And our 5th, she's single. And she's working with me before, but now no more. She's with my brother and she's oversee my things in my province.
Yeah, okay. Wow.
And the youngest is a businessman just like me.
Okay.
And we have similar business. My business is office supplies. His business is
almost the same.
printing.
Printing. Similar. All right. Okay. Ma'am, I really admired your kumbaga ang imong naabot niyo sa imong pagkakaroon ba. Ang nakoy pangutana man ba, this is other questions. I do not know if this is appropriate to ask you. Kanang unsa pa man gikulang ni Glory Tan?
Wala.
Unsa pa'y naasaya ang iyang gusto nga mayuntag na ani sa ako pero wala man, okay. Mayuntag ka nang na ko inana pero wala man. Ay kanang kumbaga di man gid perfect ang tao. We are born kana butong kanang dili kita perpekto nga tao.
Yeah.
Nana kay car, nana kay balay, nana kay negosyo, and etc. Unsa pa mong giwala ni Glory Tan?
Me, nothing. Because if I have God, I have everything. I have God. I'm the child of God.
Mhm.
If you, God gave me everything. Like
Yeah.
He gave me life.
Yeah.
He gave me food.
Yeah.
He gave me money.
Yeah.
He gave me people. He gave me friends. And everything that I need, I have. And I'm a person that is simple, easy to be contented.
Yeah.
And I stick on the basic. I don't dream. Actually, I'll tell you honestly. Many people in different field or areas always ask me, like in our Bible study group, they always ask me, what are the things that I desire ko nga? Me, ever since and now, same. When I was 8 years old, I pray to God, God, my dream is just to love you and to help my family. And I have those. I did it. So, unsa pa akong pangitaon, God gave me more than what I asked. So, who am I to ask more? No, my purpose now is, to help people, to help my family, to help people. I already have my family. To help people, that's all. Maybe I can close my business.
Yeah.
I don't have children. But I opened
You
that
do not
business
have
until
children?
now. Yes. I opened that business until now because I want to help these people in my business. So I don't dream anything anymore because even the things that I did not dream, I have. Others dream of traveling. I did not dream to travel, but I've been anywhere in the world.
Yeah, you can go anywhere you want.
I've been there already. I've been traveling for 30 years. So, how can I dream more? No more. Not about me anymore.
So ang imuha lang karon ma'am is community service lang gid ka mahalo.
Yes.
Extend kasi imong time and
I wanna share people the words of God. That's my passion now. Before my passion was business, of course God, but now more of God. I want to study His words always. I want to share His words to people, and I just want to honor Him. That's all. Wala na ko nang andoy mga business, dagang business.
Yeah.
Other people, when they have this business, they cannot stop having this business and another business, and tanan it's not bad. But for me, what for?
Contentment.
I am contented. I'm a simple person.
Yeah.
I have simple dreams. I got all my dreams, and even the dreams that I don't dream, I got those. So,
what can you ask for?
What can I ask for? I have good friends. I have good families.
Yeah.
So no more.
Yeah. It's very nice. Very nice to hear about
Did
all
I
those
shock
stories.
you?
Yeah, you shocked me. Actually, yes. I just wanted to go back to inner wheel. Murag na nabitin ko sa inner wheel
Yes,
ba?
nabitin ka.
Nabitin ko sa inner wheel. Sa inner wheel ba, ma'am? Di ba, na-mention man ta nga, almost the same ang culture sa Rotary. Okay, more on services, community service, giving back to community, whatever you have, whatever you earn, etc. Now, ang inner wheel is how many members of inner wheel in Cagayan de Oro that can actually do this community service, and how frequent you are girls to do that kind of activities.
So in Mindanao, we call ourselves Inner Wheel Club of the Philippines, District 385. In District 385, we have 11 clubs. 4 clubs in Cagayan de Oro,
Oh,
2 clubs in Pagadian, 1 in Lana, 1 in Iligan, 1 in Bukidnon, and 1 in Davao. In Cagayan, you're asking in
one in
Cagayan?
Davao, one in
1 in
Davao.
Davao, yes.
Malaki in Davao ah.
Yeah, but unfortunately, they are not that as active as in Cagayan de Oro and in Iligan and in Pagadian and Bukidnon. But they are coping up. Okay? So they are rebuilding. They're rebuilding. But in Cagayan, I guess, how many are we here in Cagayan? I cannot quantify that much, but more than 100.
More than 100.
Mhm.
Oh,
I remember. Four
that's
clubs.
average.
We are 34 in my club, and the other is 20 plus 50, and the other is not. So yeah, more or less we are 100 plus here in Cagayan de Oro members
Oh.
of Inner Wheel.
So if you're talking about two chapter or two groups,
No, 4 groups in Cagayan.
four groups. So downtown, uptown, and like
Yeah, we
that
have Uptown, we have West, we have
is
Masterstone,
okay. So
and we have Golden Friendship. That's all in Cagayan.
okay,
Four.
you belong in Masterson.
Yes, I belong in Masterson, founded by or chartered by Marilo Bakiran.
Bakiran, yeah.
Yeah, you know her, di
I
ba?
know her, yeah. So,
We're a good friend.
but
I
very
love
nice.
her.
She's very nice.
She's very nice.
Yeah, yeah. And I admire her courage and her persona also.
Oh,
Very friendly.
you're very friendly. Ako ang nagpalo sa iya. Ah?
Oh, wow.
I like
Ma'am,
her.
how frequent is your activities towards community?
Okay. Actually, our activities are mostly nationally erected, and our projects, well, at least you have one project in a month, but sometimes it's more. And one activity in a month, and
Mm.
even more. So
Mm.
something you have 2 to 3 activity and project in a month
Mm.
in a whole year round.
So 12 months in a year.
Yeah.
So 12 activities in a year.
Something, not 12 times 2 times 3 pa.
Depende lang sa inyong mga buwan. Okay. Because,
The list is 24.
oh, really? That's good. Kaya,
12 projects and 12 activities.
mm,
Ang project is lahi sa amo.
yeah.
Ang activities is lahi. Ang activities like Christmas in November, United Nation Day,
Mm,
Peace Day,
mm,
na Inner Wheel Day, Women's Day,
okay.
or team building as
Mm.
activity. Our projects different. Care for the elderly, balik eskwela for the kids,
Mm,
like
mm,
clean up project,
mm,
like pabahay, like
mm,
pailaw, many things.
mm. Okay, good.
We have many.
Yeah.
I have this project. We have pangkabuhayan,
Mm,
giving machines or pangkabuhayan to women. I did that in my term
mm.
now.
How did you guys come up with recruitment day for the inner wheel?
We just pull our friends around. That's all.
Okay.
Bira-bira man lang.
Dili na ingon
It's
nga.
for friendship.
Yeah. So, kumbaga, it's a word of mouth lang.
It's the word of mouth.
Referral.
Yes.
Manana lang nga, invite unta ka, join lang dayon.
Ano.
So, na po yung mga membership, manana.
We have a membership fee of 3,500 in a year.
So, you mentioned to me earlier that true friends ang yung recruitment. So, kay naaman ka sa, kumbaga, na ka sa class A nga category sa community. Wala ka sa mga, nasa mga
Not
pobre, nasa mga nana, nasa
Dili
mga
po doon.
nasa mga ana. So wala mo member nga kanang kuan, wala mo member nga naa sa mga kumbaga in other word nasa kuan ba kanang mga pobre ba nga mga mama.
I don't know really because I don't know their finances really well. But I should say we are in the mid-class and above.
Katong yung makatabang gid pod. Financially.
Yeah, but here will come, of course, financially because you have to pay the 3,500 in a year. But you're not obligated to always donate. Maybe you have the time, will come. Maybe you can go to our projects.
Yeah, I wish to actually
Oh,
reconnect with you. If you have activities, we can take it live. We can record it,
oh
something
sige
like
ha.
that. Lagi, but I love your story. May very ano siya, very inspiring kasi ang story because of course nowadays ang mga tao biya dili beta nang negosyante ma'am ha, nga they have their heartily or willingness to help. Dili beta nang mga negosyante na but of course nagya po yung mga tao like ninyo, like sa inyong grupo. They're actually willing to
Yeah.
have the financial support and time support for the community service. Yeah. Wala tad mo ingon nga matubog mga orphanage ana tabang inyo is actual activities.
Actually, that's our first project 3 years ago with Ma'am Marilo Bakiran. We went to an orphanage in Bukidnon, Alae. But this time, I did not.
Alaiin
did
ka
not
ng foundation?
Yeah.
Isa ka nga foundation kang Castro.
Basta kay sa gobyerno.
Yeah. Alright. Okay. Now,
So,
this time, na pa may mga activity nga umabot.
kami were chartering another club on Bukidnon.
Okay.
Chartering. We organize another club in Bukidnon.
Mm.
And we'll be having our chartering induction on May 23rd in Malaybalay,
Yeah.
Bukidnon.
Busy kay ka, ma'am. Rotary, inner wheel, negosyo. How did you actually manage your time of doing these
Well,
things?
I just manage my time. Not only that I'm busy with Rotary or Innerwell or my business, I'm also busy having Bible study with my groups.
Oh, that's very good.
Yes.
You conducted it?
Sometimes I conducted if the leader is out. But I just manage it. I just manage my time.
Yeah.
I have time for my business.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not there all the time in my business. I can manage. I know the in and outs.
Because you have people working there.
Yes.
Yeah.
But still, I have to oversee them. Otherwise, your business will, collapse.
Yeah.
But then, my Rotary is just like twice a month meeting.
Mm-hmm.
And then, I will not do also all the projects.
Mm.
I only choose projects when I'm free.
Mm.
But normally, I paid my dues,
Mm.
10,000 a year, and I donate only.
Mm-hmm.
But if I'm the chairman, of course,
you spend more.
You have to know. I have to be really present in the project.
Yeah.
But here, since I'm the president, all projects I'm present.
Yeah.
In Innerwheel.
Kalang mga member ninyo sa Rotary, especially women, are mostly mo member sa inner wheel or lahi sila?
Only few people from Rotary member to Innerwheel. Or very few. Maybe I'm just one. One and two, or just you can count by hands. Because from Rotary, women from Rotary, they don't join Innerwheel. It just happened because, I was just accidentally invited. So I just, I just want to observe. But here comes, I'm getting serious because I'm a person that if I start something, I don't back out. Other people easy to back out. I'm not judging people, but it's just me that if I committed in this, I'm committed. Just like marriage ba? Di na kinanglan mo mauli imong partner.
Yeah.
Me. Just like in business.
Yeah.
Even you have challenges in business, but you cannot say, oh, close na ako ni kanako challenges. Because I'm committed. That's my personality is. I'm loyal. I am loyal. I am patient.
Yeah. Honestly speaking, gahilak po ka usahay?
I seldom cry. I only cry when I get mad. I won't cry if I feel sad, no.
What are those things that has considered the reasons for you to cry?
When people betray me, when I get mad, that's all. But other than that, I will not cry. Seldom. Maybe I cried the funeral of my father. And seldom. But when I'm sad, I will not cry. I'll just pray to God.
Because you are very prayerful.
Yes, I'm prayer.
woman.
Yes, I go direct to God, or maybe a little. That's seldom, really. But I only cry when I get mad, and I seldom also people are there, my friends. So I think maybe only one or two people that I cried about, because there are things that unexpected,
Yeah.
but it happened. But okay lang.
Lagi. Yeah. So,
Ikaw pala,
ma'am,
dili mo ko pala hilak, sir. Ikaw mo.
like, so you guys are your organizations, the Inner Wheel and Rotary, are still welcome to those who are interested to join.
Yes.
So whether it's referral or some from other groups, welcome gapon mo.
Of course.
Okay, ma'am.
Because we have to multiply.
Yeah.
We don't. There's no inclusion. Or there's no exclusivity. It's all inclusion. That's the motto of one of the motto of what is this? Not motto, but one of the
vision, goal. Or...
There's a term for that in Rotary. That there's no exclusivity. All is included.
Yeah, all are.
Those who are willing to help people,
Then go. Ma'am,
Yes.
in one organization ba, especially ah sa mga inner wheel, mga rotary, like that,
Hmm.
have you actually experienced po nga na yung mga misunderstanding to each member of the group?
Di mo gina mahilig kayan, Gon?
Di mali kaya, no?
But ako, personally, don't, I get away with that. But if in the organization, maybe some, yes, but
Mm,
see to it, I will not be included with that group.
So
See to it, I will not,
you will be in the center or
I'll be
neutral,
in the,
kumbaga.
yes.
Oo. Normal ginano na yung mga inana, no?
Naman dyan.
Pero of course, it will be patch up after all. Okay?
Yeah.
Paano naman?
I think it's my kuan yun nga if there's something happen, it's me in the middle because I don't like animosity.
Mura, you destined to do that.
Yes,
You destined to that particular things to get
yes.
resolutions of this problem.
I don't like animosity and everywhere, and I
Yeah.
don't like
And I admire you.
pasipsipan also, and I don't like also politics.
Yeah.
Everywhere
Yeah.
in organizations. That's why I think I thrive in Rotary because I don't want politics.
Yeah.
If you trust me, you trust me. If you don't, it's okay.
Yeah,
I don't
I
mind.
understand.
Oh, but you cannot avoid politics in an organization.
Yeah.
But
really,
I see to it, I get away with that politics away.
because that's very normal. Having misunderstanding with each
People
group.
are people, you know.
Yeah, people are people.
Yeah.
All right.
The job is easy, but the people are not easy. But well, who am I to judge those
Kumbaga, the
people
law is
also?
not hard. Kumbaga, ma'am, the law is not harsh. It is only the people that are who are harsh. Yeah, ma'am. I wanted to have a remarks from you that you wanted to express to our viewers. If you have anything to say
Sunsay ko sa
about
like what?
yeah, like our business or an inner wheel and rotary, something like that. People they wanted to like that.
Di siguro ko. I think I will not promote those. What can I say is, uh, thank you for inviting me, Sir Yiki.
Yeah.
It's been a pleasure nga I can share also some of my thoughts
Yeah.
about my life, about the things that I do,
Mhm.
like in business or in organization. But this time, I won't promote uh, either inner wheel or rotary.
Mm.
I promote like, I would like to say that
Mm.
in this world,
Mm.
din sa kalibutan, dili importante ang kinsa ka, who you
Yeah.
are, what you have,
Mm.
and what you can be.
Mhm.
What's more important is you have God in your life.
Mhm.
You believe in Him, you trust Him in everything, and you just depend on Him. And then in everything, you have to put Him first because kung imo gud siyang ibutang nga una sa imong kaugalingon, maiwasan ang mga kasuko,
Mhm.
paglalis,
Mhm.
pag-away-away, o ka ng mga disgusto, o ka ng selfishness.
Mm.
Because selfishness and being, you know, being into politics and everything,
Mm.
rooted in selfishness.
Mm.
So mo jud na nga imo yung unahon unsay you must know the words of God and
Mm.
listen to His words,
Mm.
apply His words,
Mm.
parang maiwasan ang daghang gubot sa kinabuhi.
Mm.
Because as what they say, life is what you make it.
Mm.
So don't blame anyone what happened to your life because it's what you make it. What you make it, your choices, base, your choices in life
Mm.
is based on your thinking, your thoughts. So you have to guard your thoughts, you have to guard your thinking. You have to, you should know the things, the right things to do. What are the right things to do? The right things to be done
Mm.
to avoid conflicts, so that will say at the end, life is good.
Wow, ma'am. Very nice parting words. Ma'am,
Thank you.
thank you very much for your time and I appreciate for saying yes to me. And I love your story. You're
Thank you
inspiring.
so much.
Thank you. Thank
I
you.
hope you are inspired, guys. And
Yeah.
thank you for saying support his
Vlog,
live vlog.
Let's talk with Jonas.
Let's
Yeah.
talk with Sir Jonas.
Yeah.
Support him.
Yeah, thank you. Guys, thank you very much for your time. Thank you for taking time of viewing our videos. It was Ma'am Glory Tan, who is my guest for today. very inspiring from her, and I admired her of being who she is. I hope you will continue to like, you will continue to follow my blog, Let's Talk with Jonas. Daghang kayong salamat ug may hapon kanatong tanan. Thank you. Time.